Does reading nonfiction make you smarter than if you read fiction? This is especially a point made by some of my guy friends who are adamant that they will only read nonfiction because it's full of data and information versus made up stories. So let's understand a bit of the brain science behind reading nonfiction versus reading fiction. I am Seema Yasmin. I'm the author of 9 books, 6 of them nonfiction, 2 books of fiction, and 1 book of poems. And I'm also a scientist. Researchers at Stanford University found that reading a dense piece of non-fiction strengthens multiple cognitive functions inside your brain. And that makes sense. Reading is one of the most complex acts of the human brain. And if you're reading non-fiction, you are taking in new data, you are assimilating new information, and you are building on your existing knowledge base. Researchers doing brain scans on people as they were reading novels, and it was specifically Jane Austen novels, found that there was increased blood flow to regions of the brain that extend beyond cognitive functioning. And a multitude of studies have found that those who read more novels are better at building mental models of other people. They perform higher in tests of empathy. And in a study where about 100 people were shown just photographs of people's eyes and asked to deduce the emotional state of the person from just that picture, those who read novels were more accurately able to pick up on social cues and perceive the accurate emotional state of another person. This has been found in kids too, dating back decades. Kids who read more stories are better able to relate to and understand and describe the emotions of other people. Now, in case you're thinking this is still very touchy-feely, there's actually been a business case made for CEOs and business leaders to read more novels. Why is that? That's because reading fiction has been shown to stimulate the prefrontal cortex. That's the part of the brain involved with goal setting. Reading fiction also activates neuronal pathways involved in helping us make sense of other people's feelings. So there is a higher emotional intelligence correlated with those who read fiction. I say that whatever you are reading, keep reading it. The point is to consume more books, whether that's audiobooks or hardcover books. I have a whole nother video and debate on that. But maybe if you are a sole reader of nonfiction, I may have just encouraged you to pick up a novel. Let me know what you think, if you are open to reading across genres or if you're a staunchly nonfiction reader.